Hey friends! Upgrading your older vehicle's audio system is simple and affordable with these powerful, high-quality Bluetooth adapters for seamless music streaming. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car Bluetooth adapters in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Joyroom Bluetooth 5.4 receiver. This cutting-edge device leverages the latest wireless protocols to provide an unparalleled connection that is both faster and more stable than previous generations. It effectively eliminates sound quality loss across a massive 100-foot range, making it perfect for various vehicle layouts. The dual microphone array is enhanced by CVC 8.0 noise cancellation technology and a specialized filter IC, ensuring that your voice remains crystal clear by stripping away road noise and wind interference. Setup is incredibly straightforward. You simply plug the unit into your 3.5mm AUX jack and a USB power source to enjoy automatic pairing with your smartphone every time you start the engine. It also supports simultaneous dual-device connections, allowing you to manage work calls while your passenger handles the road trip playlist. Safety is a top priority, evidenced by its comprehensive certifications and built-in protections against overcurrent and overheating. The addition of an intuitive multifunction button and an integrated LED light makes it remarkably easy to operate your media and calls safely during late-night drives. Next up, our second product, the Nulaxi KM30 Bluetooth FM transmitter. This versatile in-car hub features an expansive display screen that keeps you fully informed by showing incoming phone numbers, track titles, and even your vehicle's real-time battery voltage. It is equipped with a high-performance, amplified microphone that significantly improves the clarity of your hands-free conversations, promoting much safer driving habits. You have the freedom to stream your favorite media through Bluetooth, a microSD card, or a standard AUX cable, providing total flexibility for your audio library. For those who love a customized listening experience, the unit offers adjustable treble and bass modes along with a vibrant color spectrum that automatically synchronizes with the beat of your music. The integrated Quick Charge 3.0 port is a game-changer, capable of fueling your devices up to 4 times faster than basic chargers to ensure you never run out of juice on long journeys. Its compact design fits securely into most cigarette lighter sockets, delivering an all-in-one entertainment and safety solution that transforms your dashboard into a modern multimedia station. Coming in at number 3, the Nulaxi KM30 Bluetooth FM transmitter. This robust adapter serves as a comprehensive bridge between your legacy car stereo and your modern smartphone, delivering high-fidelity audio through your FM radio. The large, easy-to-read interface ensures that managing your FM frequency and monitoring your car's electrical health is a distraction-free process for the driver. By utilizing advanced microphone tech, it ensures your voice is heard loud and clear during calls, even in noisier cabins or during highway travel. The device excels in music versatility, supporting multiple input sources and offering a dynamic visual experience with its auto-syncing color spectrum. Additionally, the high-speed charging port provides a reliable power source for both the driver and the passenger's mobile electronics simultaneously. It is meticulously engineered to fit a wide range of 12V to 24V systems, providing a stable and secure connection that won't vibrate loose on bumpy roads. This all-encompassing tool not only upgrades your audio but also adds a layer of modern diagnostic safety to your vehicle's interior environment. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Comsoon Car Bluetooth adapter. This Bluetooth 5.0 receiver is a master of transformation, turning any wired audio system or non-Bluetooth car stereo into a high-performance wireless hub. It plugs directly into the 3.5mm AUX port to provide rapid, stable transmission with an impressive signal range that remains consistent even in high-interference areas. The inclusion of CVC 8.0 noise cancellation and DSP technology ensures that your hands-free calls are free from echoes and background traffic hum. One of its most remarkable features is the 16-hour battery life, which can be fully replenished in just 2.5 hours via a modern Type-C charging port. You can even use the adapter while it is plugged in, ensuring your music never stops during cross-country road trips. It supports dual device pairing and will automatically reconnect to your most recently used hardware for a seamless user experience every time you step into the cabin. Its compact, lightweight frame houses a powerful microphone and a large multifunction button, making it one of the most user-friendly and efficient wireless upgrades currently available on the market. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Nullaxi KM18 Bluetooth adapter. This 2024 upgraded model is a legendary favorite for a reason, featuring a highly flexible and rotatable gooseneck that allows you to position the 1.44-inch LCD screen exactly where you need it. The bright display provides a wealth of information at a glance, including incoming call IDs, FM channels, and vital car battery voltage readings to prevent unexpected breakdowns. Using advanced noise cancellation technology and a Bluetooth 5.0 chip, it delivers a rock-solid connection and crisp audio for both your music streaming and hands-free calls. The oversized, centralized button makes it incredibly simple to answer or reject calls and toggle between your media and conversations without taking your eyes off the road. It offers massive compatibility, working flawlessly with everything from iPads and Android devices to dedicated MP3 players via Bluetooth, TF cards, or AUX inputs. Specifically designed for both 12V cars and 24V trucks, it combines rugged durability with high-quality sound and exceptionally easy operation, all backed by a highly responsive and helpful customer support team. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.